Hi everyone, today I am going to show you our latest multi-vendor grocery and daily needs application. So this is our latest multi-vendor grocery and daily needs application. In this application, a customer can see all the categories, he can choose from different cities like this, and he can see all the products like this. So the customer will be able to order from sellers nearby his location only. And now let's add a product to cart. You can also choose variation like this easily without going inside the cart. And now just click on the cart button. You can see all of your products and then you can check out. You can add a new address easily, or you can choose address which are already saved, and you can pay online or you can pay by COD. You can also pay by wallet. So this is a complete multi-vendor grocery and daily needs application. In this application, you will get a customer app, a seller app, a driver app, admin panel, and 1 year free technical support. In this application, a customer can filter products by category. He can also filter products by sellers like this, and he can also choose available cities, and he can order from that particular sellers available in those city also. He can also directly contact the customer care or the admin by calling, WhatsApp messages, mail, and much more. He can also see his complete order history. In this application, we also have refer and earn, wallet, address, your favorite products, chat, FAQ, and much more. If you want Android and iOS, then you will get customer Android app, seller Android app, driver Android app, customer iOS app, seller iOS app, driver iOS app, website, admin, and 1 year free technical support. Now let's talk about the admin of this product. If you are looking for something like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit tronix.com. And now let's see the admin of this application. So this is the total admin. Here you can see different graphs, you can see total orders, you can see available cities and location available in the system. You can see total stores or total sellers available. You can also see total drivers available. You can also see different categories, subcategories, and all. You can also see products added by the sellers, and you can control which product will show on the home page here or not. You can also activate or deactivate any product. By using the admin panel, admin can also upload bulk product. So this is a complete ready-made multi-vendor e-commerce platform for your business. We have multiple payment gateways. In this application, we also have refer and earn. So the admin can control what is the amount the customer is going to receive when he refer to another person, and a lot of other details like status to see what are the total orders of a particular store and much more. If you want to buy an application like this, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen. In our application, we also have OTP login. For more, you can directly contact us. The details are showing on your screen. So our consultant can help you and connect with you. Thank you.